Live, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Happy bear market, everybody. Happy bear market. I call it bear market. I know it might not be confirmed yet for many people. For me, it's a bear market. Happy bear market, everybody in the house. How you doing, Jomo?
Man, I think it's a bear market for people for over a year now, for most of them. Most people are actually in a bear market for a long time because their beloved alts are in a, horrendous bear market, man, for a while. So you can call it that way, and probably is exactly like that for a while. Remember what happened in October 10th, man. Man, October 10th put down a lot of people, and they are not in a bear market, they are in a blowout market already. All these people that got imploded on the October 10th, implosion. So, it is what it is. We were watching it, and yeah, let's call it for now. Until proven otherwise, man. Until proven otherwise. Happy bear market, CM. How are you doing?
Good, man. Feels good to be in a bear. You can go travel, with the missus from time to time, take a weekend off, be holding shorts, man. Holding shorts for like, I've been holding a plume short for the last month, man, almost. Like it's longer than my longs, that I used to hold in the last longs, you know. A shitcoin want to crash. By the way, we invite everybody. If you like to short crypto, we're gonna have a lot of fun shorting crypto in the next year or two, probably year or two. So you're welcome to join our membership link below. We have a Black Friday discount, by the way, in the coupon code below on the channel. Drop them the link and the coupon here. I don't think it's add it to the lives because I don't think it's on the lives yet.
It's only for the
Uh,
VIP membership, yeah? That one.
yeah, the VIP for the VIP, the
Okay.
Black Friday.
Yeah.
And yeah, guys, if you have any question, we're gonna show you some charts. Drop a question. We're gonna keep it nice and dandy. Uh,
Nice and dandy. Yeah,
yeah,
man, for sure.
I'll show.
MSTR is breaking also, man. Phew,
Oh,
everything.
yeah. And Nvidia, look today when it actually started to break, but not yet. But the
That
people,
that was a very bad day on earnings. The red ugly day.
yeah,
That was an earnings day. It started well and then finished very bad. That's a very bad sign.
yeah. Nvidia is cooked, man. Nvidia is cooked. The only reason why the stock market is holding now for some reason is the Google bounce, and there is another big scammy stock, Apple, that is actually holding. They're holding the market, but at some point this rubbish gonna collapse. Uh, let's look on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is dumpy today a little bit. Today is Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. Pulling back a little bit here. Bitcoin. Look at the weekly close, man. Look at show you the clean chart here. Look at the weekly, man. It's getting slaughtered.
So
This
yeah,
is and
slaughtered.
people are bullish. What's funny is people are bullish, and you just got the most horrific bearish signal in Bitcoin chart, weekly chart, a break and a close below, a full body close below the 50-week MA, which is a signal for a bear market confirmation. That's what happened last cycle. And people completely, you look on X, all the charts they're showing something like this, okay? They're showing something like this. Yeah, higher low. And this is what coming next. They completely, they cannot see anything bearish. It's unbelievable. The clowns on X, they are insane, man. They're absolutely insane, man. And
Yeah,
and
for
also
sure.
and also
By the
look,
way,
it
I added,
broke the upper.
people can see now in the caption, okay, the 40% off Black Friday 40, only for the VIP membership, right? The regular VIP, go check it out. Take it while it's hot. Take it while it's hot. It's only for the VIP. Black Friday 40, CM, you and your eyes. CM,
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Black Friday, man. Black Friday. Yeah, man.
We're doing something new, the Black Friday thing for us.
This is
But
only for live viewers, people that are watching. If you were thinking about joining the membership, this is the best time. This is the best service you can find in crypto. Probably the only one that actually printing now, and was not surprised of the dump of Bitcoin. We were actually waiting for it. This was obvious it's gonna take a shit. All these clowns, they're like, no one can ever know it will break below 90K. Blah, blah, blah. And now they're coming. It will never go back below 80K again. I saw posts as well. Man, these people are insane, man. And we
one of the the twins, the big twins from the Gemini exchange, the
Winklevoss, the
Winklevoss,
Winklevoss.
the Winklevoss. So one of them, after the first dump below 90, he posted a tweet. It will never go below 90 again. 24 hours later, bam, smashed, went all the way to 80K.
And now he's probably saying it will never go below 80, and now it's back below 80.
I will give him some props. After it happened, he made another post saying, I'm going to find a job at McDonald's because he was wrong. So I'll give him the props. But and all these people, even one of the most prominent and important, people in the crypto sphere, right? One of the early starter OGs, an exchange owner. Even he has no idea what the future, installs. So all these people that believe, all these the important people, just ludicrous. It's like I made a video, CM, about how crypto whales are not your friend, right? Because how many times, CM, we get comments about, oh, but whale address number 5 just bought a ton fuck of KASPA or ZBCN, so it's going to go up. How many times did you get that comment on your videos, CM? Many times, right? And it continues to go down after the buy. I made a video showing how consistently it goes down after the whales buy. By the way, CM, I'm seeing no one said hi, no questions, no nothing. People, say hi, say how are you doing? Come on, where are you?
That's bear market, man.
That's bear market.
That's how bear market looks in YouTube, man. Everybody are cooked. They lost everything, and they're crying for their mommies under the table. Only a few that are short and know how to short or know risk management, they're actually happy because they're not gonna lose everything. They're gonna survive the bear and thrive in the bear, and they're gonna be ready, turbo ready to buy Bitcoin next year in the last quarter at 20K or below with all the profits, man. While all the other clowns that are now, oh, I'm a hodler, I'm an investor, all these people, they're not gonna be here next year in the last quarter because they will be working in McDonald's, wiping toilets and smashing burgers,
Yeah. I talked today with one of our elite VIPs, just a regular call I have with one of those. And he told me that he reminded me that, first of all, this month, November, was his best month so far. He made huge ROIs with shorting alongside you, alongside me. He took even his own shorts a little bit because he understands the concept. He learned how to do it, which is beautiful. Okay, that's beautiful. But you know what he reminded me? He reminded me that you told him that he should, sell his long-term, Bitcoin at 123,000 bucks. You nailed the top with him, man, for him. All his long term.
Oh, yeah, man. I told him, man, it's cooked.
Man, that was epic.
We're saving lives, man. We're saving lives, and we are, we're creating future millionaires, man. Future crypto millionaires in our own hands, and people just don't understand what we're doing because they're like, oh, they're skeptic. Oh, these guys have accent. Oh, I don't like him. You don't have viewers. La 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 la. And people completely miss the real reason they came to this market is to print ROI. Okay, it doesn't matter. The market don't care where you're coming from. The market don't care about your accent or the amount of pimples you have on your bum. The market care only about money, okay, and position. Are you positioned right? If you position, are you following the trend? What is the trend now? Most people, they think we're in a bull market. you know,
Look, we have here a live example, CM, of someone. Look. You wanna see some? Look at what Roger is saying. Roger is saying, well, I could say, look, I was right on KASPA once again, but I'm a gentleman. By the way, you literally said it, so you're not a gentleman. That's funny. CM, Roger told me in the last live I did that KASPA is breaking out versus the others. Okay, that's what he said. And KASPA bounced, which the market bounced. It was expected of things to bounce, and now he's right. No, man, you're wrong. You're still wrong because this is still just a bounce. Whenever we told you that you're wrong for the past 8 months, that was going down 70 to 80%, man. What? Are you right? Because of one or two small cheeky days? Man, come on. Man, you've been perpetually losing on KASPA. Okay? Since there, man. How long did you? How low? 80%?
you are down 83%. What right? You are
I
not
don't know.
right. The market taking a big piss on your face, man. Quit crypto, man. It's not for you. It's not for you, man. You don't even have money. You should quit crypto. Now let's look at KASPA. Now KASPA, man, is cooked. You can see it. KASPA. We told everybody here that KASPA triggered a bear market here. Once it closed below the 50-week MA, right here in the beginning of 2025, we told everybody here KASPA is bearish, it's in a bear market, and that's exactly what happening to Bitcoin now. All people need to do is just learn how to follow the clues that the market gives them and follow basic simple indicators like we show them. Subscribe obviously to our channels, and and really cruise in the market. It's not that hard, man. And look, it's cooked. Since then, it's cooked. It's in a bear market, and the angle of the 50-week MA you can see is just getting steeper, and more and more bearish. KASPA is cooked as long as it's below the 50-week, and as long as the angle is down. KASPA is dead man, dead man. And Roger, you are cooked, my friend. You are cooked.
This is a KASPA. This is a KASPA. Title for the live. Even though we're gonna touch base and answer whatever people want to say. Okay.
Oh,
But look,
oh,
what?
sorry. Some guy asked me about 2026 top price prediction.
Exactly.
You mean bottom? You mean rock bottom price prediction? Let me just address this guy, okay? Look, I think again, my 2 cents. KASPA is cooked for the entire year and for the next year. I think you're gonna have at some point a bounce, whether from here or a little bit lower. Gonna have a bounce or another dead cat bounce, another weekly lower high like this one. Okay, you have a top, then you have another major top. So you're gonna have another one on the way down, something like this. Then it's gonna collapse, probably collapse to 0.0001 or something. Go sideways accumulation for probably till the end of next year, from like the summer. Again, this is all speculation, and then you're gonna break out. Again, you're talking about top. What top? I'm talking about bottom. Your next KASPA top, if it will break to a new bull market next year or 2027, your next KASPA top will probably be around 2028 or 2027 or 2029. Okay, so my friend, sir, Mr. Who is this guy?
Ronnie.
Mr. Ronnie, what the F are you smoking over there? What top? The top is in. What top? What top, Jomo? What top? Like,
Well, it's what what most of these holders are trying to figure out, right? They're trying to find. I don't know, man. They think we're still in the bull market right now. I mean,
what top? What top? It's just going down. You need to
I
search for it. You gotta have a bottom first before you're gonna have a top. You need to have an uptrend before you have a top. You're now in a downtrend. What comes after a downtrend is a bottom. People completely lost, Jomo. The influencers cooked them all. You know, the influencer, all the crypto influencers, in my opinion, need to be in prison, man, behind bars. What they did to people. Look, this innocent guy, you know, look for top in a bear market.
I like the fact that you're enjoying with yourself over here, CM. Look, it's okay. This dude doesn't know what he's doing, man. It's just part of, it's just part of the game, right? He's being lured into thinking that KASPA is going to break out of something, I don't know, and make a new top in 2026. He probably saw someone talking about KASPA, booming next year. So he's asking us something that we don't really believe. Mr. Mad Item Music, is it still possible to make money without shorting? I mean,
no,
why not to short? That's the question. Why not to short?
It is possible, but you need to be extremely professional, sniper, mofo. But you're probably gonna get wrecked and lose it all back to the market once the market roll over on you. In a bear market, the trend is down, you short. Okay. If you want to make money without shorting, quit crypto for a year, come back in the next bull market. All right. Because you're gonna just burn yourself out. If you're gonna try to buy the dip on the scam coins, you're gonna cook yourself. I'm telling you, I was a dip buyer in 2018. I lost 50K, man. 50K I lost all my capital, my initial capital, man, as a newbie, man. I was needed to go rub floors, man, and clean restaurants for like a year to come back with new capital to start my new portfolio, pump my portfolio from scratch, Take my advice or learn shorting in a bear. First, join the membership, the VIP. It's the best for you. It will change your life. Stop being cheap, a baby baboon, Get yourself some education, man. Come on. Or quit and come back in 2027, man. Really, there is nothing for you to look for. And also, learn short, man. Learn short. Why not?
I don't get it. I don't get why people are just against shorting. It's just like longing. It's just like buying to the long, but shorting. It's just the same mechanics, just upside down. That's it. Why is everyone so afraid of it, CM? I don't get it. I really don't get it, man.
It's just like, go taking your girlfriend to the bedroom and doing doggy style. You do doggy style most of the time, so that's longing. And then you do missionary, from time to time you do missionary 69. It's just a different angle, but it's still a profitable position. You know what I mean? So people just need to wake the F up. They're just, man, these are losers. All these people that they're afraid of shorting or they're against shorting. I had a member, man, like a Muslim. Did you know that is not halal? It's not halal to short. It's against the religion.
Nah, come on.
I swear to God. He told me, hey, CM, I will not be able to short with you guys because it's against the religion.
I don't get it. Where is it written in the Bible that you can't short trade? Is it written in the Quran?
Quran.
I don't get it. Was it written? Do not short trade.
Muhammad told him.
No, let's not talk about the prophets and stuff like that, man. Let's leave that.
That's funny. But anyway, it's funny, man. Plume RWA approved by the SEC. Sir, my Plume short is up 70% or something, man. Printing bling bling, made like 3 G's on it from a position of like 8, like profits realized. And approved by the SEC.
It is funny sometimes when we see something like this. We first shorted it, and CM, and this is actually a good lesson, right? This is a very good lesson. You know why? Because it is in these kind of things, right? Then you can learn that fundamentals and news, they don't mean shit if price doesn't confirm it. Okay, if price doesn't confirm these things and actually goes in reverse, so it doesn't mean anything. Okay, look at this. Okay, this is a short trade we took in the membership. Okay, Plume short trade, short below the 0.06596. Okay, here is the chart just for you guys to see how it looks like. This was it. Okay, beautiful short. The blue line is where we want to short it. Red line was a stop loss. Remember 0.0695. I don't remember what was written exactly. Now, if we go to the charts, okay, if we go to the charts, look what happened to it. Okay, and again, this is a learning moment, because a lot of people, they're hung up on these news events. Okay, let's take a look at Plume. Okay, from October 28th, that's where we shorted it. Okay, October 28th is here. This is the short that we took on this day. Okay, the breakdown was one of the best breakdowns that we had. It's on a 65% maximum gain and counting. And actually, CM added to the short here. Bam, another short on top of the first short on Plume. So again, you guys, you need to understand what's happening over here. What is happening in the chart? The chart is showing that whoever wrote this article is just trying to make you buy so he can sell on top of your heads. That's the only reason why anyone would write such a stupid article for retail money, to be like, oh, so if Plume right now is, RWA approved, so we can actually make ROIs with it. No, you can't. Everyone, all the big dogs sold on top of your head. Yes, CM?
Mr. Maximus is asking, is 5,000 enough capital to begin the shorting journey? Absolutely, man. Absolutely, Mr. Maximus. We're welcoming you to join our VIP. You have a Black Friday discount. Unbelievable. We'll never come back. People think we're gonna do it again. Never, man. We lose money. We lose dineros on it. Man. Join the VIP. Take a VIP, whatever. Join the VIP. 5K is well more than enough to start shorting. Again, when you join the VIP, you're gonna see trade alerts. Each trade alert come. Okay. First of all, watch the tutorials on how to short that we provide our new members, okay? And watch the direct messages you receive on the WAP to see what the steps you need to take, because you need to learn how to short. It's very simple. We send you some videos, learn how to short. Then each trade come with the allocation we put on a trade. You don't go all in on the first trade you come, okay? Because there is a lot of people come, I had a member, I think he jumped from the roof. I think he's gone. We lost him. I think he went all in on a trade. You don't go all in on a trade. Each trade come, we say, put 5% of your capital on it. Put 3% of your total capital. Let's say you trade with 100K, you put 5K on the trade. Okay, if you have 5K, you put $500, for example, on the trade. Okay, you don't go bolt it. So yeah, 5K is enough capital to begin shorting journey, sir. This is exactly like you said. It's a journey. It's an amazing journey. Once you master the shorting, the next bull market, you're gonna be so much better, man. As a long trader, to trade long, man. When you short, you just become better. Coming back to the example of the girlfriend. Once you start to doggy style your girlfriend, then life changing, because it's another position.
Because you can take a position without seeing the face if you don't want to look at it.
Like Plume. Like Plume.
You don't have to look at it on it.
And you don't need to smell the breath, when she didn't brush her teeth in the morning, turn around,
Damn,
and Mr. Mad Atom Music, don't we are very I will say to myself, I'm very upfront. Some people call me rude, but yeah, focus on the on the way not the way we talk, what we say, most important. But
we're a no BS channel. We're a no BS channel. We're not here to fluff. We're not here to elevate anyone's ego. We're not here to create a cult of believers of a coin singing Kumbaya around a KASPA or ZBCN bonfire. We are here to make ROIs.
Look,
James, yeah, what is he saying?
This is Merrill short. We took it today. I just want to show you the short.
Show it, CM. Show it. Beautiful.
Where's my short? 1 second. let me see. Well, I will just show you the screen, the trade. Okay, that's the trade. It's already on. Okay, the chart, but I will show you the trade I shared in a second. But look how it's
Ooh,
collapsing.
collapse.
It is completely puking. I will show you. Let me see if I can show you the short. Give me a second. Peaky.
Yeah, man, it collapsed. We had a bunch of those. Another one was STO that you took, was another
Look,
one that kind of
look at
collapsed.
this one. Do you see my screen?
Yeah, we see it.
Merrill short. Okay, I'll click on that one. And then I'll show you this baby. Tell me if you see now this screen.
Yeah, we see it.
All right, so this is the Merrill short. You can see we shorted it now. Okay, I shorted it now. The price was 33. You know, you're in the VIP. You get this trade. You get notification. Oh, short it now. Okay, boom, you short it. You put your stops, targets. All our members leave runners on all positions, because especially on the shorts now, because we're in a bear market. And look, the price was 33. Remember, 33. Look what's happening now. This is the trade. You can see that was our entry right here, 33. Exactly here. Bam. Look at it. Max gain so far 30% in a day. What you're doing, holding rubbish, going down on your face, pooping on your face. Man, this is the beauty of shorting. Man, when you trade long in this last bull market, they just stepping up. They just taking the stairs. When you trade short on the right coins, they take the elevator down. You print money. You get me? You print ROI. People just don't understand. They think, oh, I'm a hodler. No, you're not. You're a loser. You're just a loser. People just need to accept it in the face. You are losing. Blink, blink. The table is full of blink, blink, piles of cash. You know, we knew everything is going to collapse. Man, on the last Bitcoin drop, we printed many shorts, man, printed simultaneously. That's amazing for your portfolio. You know, you can make in a week of shorting 20, even 30% on the entire portfolio. That's amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing, man. Like,
It's very good. It's very good. It's very good. And look, by the way, Maximus, what did he said something interesting, funny where he said, "Hey, if shorting is anything like doggy, good times are ahead."
exactly, man. Exactly.
Look at this, man. The Moroccan Kaito is saying, "Crypto Galaxy still think it's a bull market." LOLs. I'm afraid he gets cooked and depressed. He seems a bit depressed lately. He should be. He's being trying to navigate people to 10x's on the way down. He should be depressed already, man.
He probably had withdrawal symptoms of all the coke he was taking.
Right?
You know?
Right.
This guy is high on crack or something. You know.
He takes a few lines before every video he makes to talk like the Pepe.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
The pirate. John Glovin is saying it's like you have a button, CN, like you are a mystery man. And
You mean for the short? You mean for the short, the Merrill
for the
short?
shorts, he means for the short. This is John Giovan, one of the lifetime members, man. Definitely, shorts are having an 80 or a 90% win rate. They're just falling.
And now they're not even. People don't understand. They're actually
It's not even it.
relatively holding kind of well the altcoin.
True.
They don't even understand the amount of bloodbath that is coming for the altcoin market. They think, once the dominance will start pumping now and Ethereum will collapse and all the nasty whales will start selling all their XRPs and the Solana, all the big rubbish. Man, I'm telling you, man, once the S&P will lose this level, S&P is doing like a head and shoulders, little head and shoulders as well, and the Nasdaq, once they lose the support, it's gonna be crash, and then more crash, and more crash, probably Bitcoin going to 60K, man, by the end of the year, man. I'm telling you, I will not be surprised to see Bitcoin at 60K by the end of the year, Jomo. I mean, it looks
You know,
good.
I don't think so. I think we're gonna get like I said that multiple times. I think we're gonna get like a big head and shoulders right now for Bitcoin. You know, so I think it's gonna take time to really break all the way down.
If
But it's about to happen.
if it will hold the 74 level, let's show them. Let's show them what you're looking for. You're looking for, yeah, you are saying exactly. You know, I was thinking the same, but if you look on the S&P and the Nasdaq, they still didn't puke. Okay, so let's say, you know, you already tested this level, kinda. You know, you
Yeah.
almost tested it level. You know, so
Hmm.
the head and shoulders that, you know, I you said and I was looking for as well, obviously might happen, probably gonna happen. But if you look on the S&P and the Nasdaq, man, look at the Nasdaq, man. You know, the Nasdaq is also is forming like a head and shoulders here.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
kinda.
Yeah.
So if it forming that, and let's say it losing that level, let's say sometime in December, early December, you have a potential drop of, like, you know, this baby. You know, you can get a big smack in the face.
More
Now,
than that, you can get a
well,
smack. You can
yeah.
go down, man.
So if it goes, for example, like that, do you think Bitcoin will just drop five?
No.
Bitcoin
No,
will
but
collapse
I
another
think
20.
we can have a right shoulder here right now building on the Nasdaq also, for example. Maybe.
Yeah, but you're talking about a big right shoulder
Yeah,
for
I know.
Bitcoin. This is
I know.
what you're saying. You're looking for something like that would be symmetrical to this baby, or some kind of, like, at
Yeah,
least a month of a
yeah.
shoulder.
A month
This,
or a couple of months, yeah.
yeah, this shoulder is long, you know. So
Yeah.
I don't think Bitcoin have the time to to create the right shoulder here. Maybe it's gonna be something like that, you know, like a slanted head and shoulder.
Mm,
Then it's gonna
like a
go here,
lopsided, yeah,
yeah,
lopsided.
like that, like to puke, a puking head and shoulders with.
Ooh,
Oh, let's
man.
pukey, let's pee pee, and also the MSTR is dying. Bro, MSTR is at the 200 week MA almost. 200 week.
Yeah, man. Yeah, oof.
Man,
That's
it is.
awful.
And you know, it's gonna be bad. It's gonna be bad. And the beauty about us now, you know, last bear market, we joined the short selling party late.
Late.
Actually, we joined it only in
April.
like March,
April, April.
April. Now we are early in the shorts.
Yeah.
So we can grow our account into the bear market. Man, I think we can 2, 3, maybe even 4x the account. Again, I will take a double, but anyway, 2, 3, 4x the account in a bear, because in a bear you have this sell-off that you can print on the altcoins, and you have the bear market rally that will come probably next year in January or something, you know, on a hope of some, you know, rate cuts or whatever. You're gonna get a big strong rally, and then you can catch very strong longs. So these trading opportunities, you can really grow your account in a bear
Yeah.
market a lot, a ton, man. You know.
Yeah.
Oh,
Look, the
oh,
Moroccan guy, and I think this is going to be like one of the last, questions we take because it is Moroccan Kaido is saying Raul Pal is still tweeting about the banana zone. He's a baboon with a banana. This influencer must be in jail. You know what? He's one of the most dangerous baboons because he actually comes from within the financial area. At least he says it that he's been in JP Morgan, and he's been in this thing since in Bitcoin since 2013. So he has a lot of pedigree to him, right? But he seems to be dead wrong this cycle on his ideas. Dead wrong. Man, I would argue that he's down. I think this cycle he made zero money because he lost everything on his last huge bet on Sui. He put all his money in Sui, and Sui is perpetually going down for a long time now, man. For a long time. So definitely, man, Raul Pal. And look, no one is immune to risk management. No one. No, no investor, no trader, anyone can get, a black swan event to him, one way or another. And it seems like Raul Pal got blindsided, CM. I don't know, man. It seems like he got blindsided and
He's just a KOL, man. He's getting paid. He's made a fortune from his followers. He have a hedge funds that they are taking money from crypto investors as well to invest for them. Man, this guy is printing
yeah.
massive amounts. He's sitting somewhere in the Cayman Island, on an island with probably 60 mistresses or whatever he's doing. This guy drinking cognac and stuff. This guy is a complete pimp.
Yeah.
He's a pimp, man, and he's printing, and he have his smug smile, oh, in his British accent, oh, la, 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 and oh, the banana, we're gonna go to the banana zone, and then we're gonna go to. Come on, man, who is eating this nonsense, man? Who are these suckers, naive people that are watching this garbage crap, and actually believe? What are you believe to this idiot? It's another idiot in the pile. I can show, man, there is so many idiots out there.
Man, someone created a compilation of him, of Raul Pal, that I shared on Twitter. I like retweeted it. Man, he got bazookaed in the last move down. He was in a live when someone told him that Bitcoin went from, I don't know, 10 something to whatever it is, lost like a lot, and and he was like, like he was in shock, man. He was like, oh, how is this happening, man?
Oh, he bought Sui, right? He's bullish on
Yeah,
Sui.
yeah.
Oh, good,
He's down big on Sui, man. I think. I
good,
think he's
good. Let him get cooked. He deserve a lesson, man. He deserve a lesson, man.
he truly, he needs to be humbled a little bit.
Man,
You know?
send me your Twitter stuff. I will do a video on him on YouTube, man. I want to mock him.
Yeah, I'll do that, man. I'll do that. I saw you made one on
On
the
your
Archer,
favorite
on my
clown. Oh
favorite
my,
clown, on my
I
favorite
hate
clown.
him. I despise the guy. Like
Uh,
much more than Raul Pal. Raul Pal is actually, you know, his head is connected to the body. Obviously, he's cooked as well. But the other guy, the Hayes guy,
yeah.
he's in the clouds, man. He's talking about Bitcoin soaring to 1 million, no bear market. Like, what the heck are you talking about, man?
Well, he's
What,
delusional about that for sure, man.
man? The guy's on crack. All these big KOLs, they do crack or ketamine, something they're doing, man,
Ketamine.
that they completely lost it. They lost it, man.
They smoke. They take dollar signs and they crash it, and then they smoke the dollar bills. They're high on dollar bills, CM.
Guys, we tell you something. You have a coupon below 40%. Join our VIP by Friday. Think about it. Make a decision. Start being a lady boy. Go join the VIP. Make a difference in your life. You're gonna become a short seller. You're gonna print whether market goes down or up. Bitcoin will bounce. We're gonna long it. You're gonna be a trader. You're gonna be a trader. Stop watching all the crap on social media. Do yourself a detox of everything related to crypto. Join our VIP. We're gonna show you the way, man. It's simple. Just cut the noise and follow principles of traders that have been doing it for years. You're gonna do very well, sir. You're gonna do very well.
Most definitely. Thank you very much for tuning in for the show. See you in the next one, everyone. Black Friday, only now.